It's 10 seconds then.
What?
10 seconds then.
Oh, 10 seconds, yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Red ball device.
Oh, there's no one through here. We've got a while yet. There's a while yet. You'll probably start seeing them come through there soon. Ready then.
Covering. Oh, hit! Nice.
Hit it. Oh, this is a weird one. Oh. The jiggle? You don't look there, it's all I see over there. Yeah, it's all I see. You have to just look through there. Well, I got a 4K. I got a 4K. I got a 4K. Oh, this helmet keeps fucking... Ah, this will probably help. That would probably help. If I use the fucking chin strap. Dead man coming through. Dead man. You're hit. Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I was doing yours.
What?
I was doing yours as well, please, you want me?
No, that's alright, don't worry about it. Yeah, see, I was coming back to you when out there. Come back. I have no clue. I don't know if it's through there. I don't know if that's friendly or not. I think it's enemy. Ah, hit!
Come on, mate. Come on, go. I got it.
Oh yeah,
I got it.
that's sound, thank you.
Let's do 1 4. What way?
Anyone else? 6.
Go on the front. You have got a shotgun in the face? I've just shot him in the face. Yeah. That's where I'm going in. Are you going in?
What's meaning? Is he dead? Do you think he's dead?
Kalashnikov's in spawn.
It's alright. Honestly, bro, I've got like 3 rounds.
You got what?
3 rounds. Back corner, right.
Oh shit, yeah, no. So in there. Oh, hit! Dead man, dead man. Do that! Oh, you are?
Back in the game.
I was like, how shaky did you know?
Run out of gas.
Are you on a gas?
Yeah.
Still Kalashnikov.
I do.
Oh, he's not grenade.
With no fucking.
Oh, I'll show you to use a grenade. What the fuck would it? Right, so. With the grenade, yeah. So, fucking, I need to stop this helmet from changing. You've got all the different safeties. The numbers are just how many blanks go off, so 7 in total. Change it to 1. And anyone within a certain area will essentially be out. How far is the radius for?
5 metres.
5 metres.
5 metres, yeah.
I thought it was a metre.
And put it this way, there's no real place in this. If you can see the grenade in this place, you're dead.
You're dead, yeah.
That's the way to work it.
Yeah. Pretty fucking fair, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right.
We can swap sides now.
No
Yeah,
sleep.
swap end there.
Sound.
That was a good round.
No sleep. I got battered. I ran out of ammo, yeah. I've got 2 more magazines. What's
31. Yeah, it's smart.
Reloaded.
Reloaded.
I mean,
We won by a lot there.
We did.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we won. Oh, I thought we were getting
You have 31 deaths to their 70.
oh, fuck.
Right, we, to be fair, I killed like 4 people.
Yeah, we're going to run it again.
I got a 4.
And then we'll rebalance it a little bit.
I remember I running got a 4K.
I'm gonna sit down.
I got it on camera. Good
I feel like a PMC right now.
31.
Wagner group, average Wagner group PSP.
I'm gonna go kill someone with a sledgehammer, bro.
Most average war criminal.
Feel like murdering someone with a sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer murder.
No, fuck off.
As you normally do.
Pardon?
You know you're gonna walk to the other side.
We're switching. BMWs?
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Is that F90?
Yeah, it's 31, so...
No, sorry. What's that for? F90?
Fucking hell, we're on the wrong side.
Yeah, and we normally change sides. I completely forgot. I was just trying to sit down. Also, I'm gonna need to put more fucking anti-fog on my goggles after we finish. Mine, the more
Just the anti-fog I do really back and forth.
yeah, it's for my centre vision. It's fine. For the top, it's shit.
Bro, I got shot the elbow, yeah.
Go shot the elbow.
Oh. I was coming around the corner, I was dead, man. Obviously, I won't have to know the movies, innit?
Was it? Random Polish on the walls.
Some geezer shot me in the elbow because I just come out of nowhere.
Fucking hell.
I was not lagging behind the team. The team isn't fucking fighting on.
I shit you not, yeah. I came around the corner, there was 4 of them. There was 4 of them all along here.
I made 3, yeah. I think this is the deepest I managed to get.
Oh, fucking hell.
Next time, yeah.
Oh, I'll show you. Also, wait, what you saying?
We should have bought like a bottle of BBs and some gas with us.
Yeah. Also,
Next game we do.
up there, look. Dude, look up there to the top. That's where they can shoot you from. I think you accidentally pressed the mag release.
Right, we're taking it.
Yeah, we'll go there. That's it. Fucking hate the stairs, man. I got the stairs and poops. Dude! Dude, you got the Timmy. What? You got the Timmy on? I got the Timmy. I'm gonna go to. There's one over there.
Right there, bro.
Oh, tactical chonga.
Yeah, man.
Tactical chonga.
Gotta get one in. I'll come from that way.
Yeah. Yeah, tactical chonga. The fucking bright light, man. Maybe you just peek on an angle that says take chonga. There's a fucking light showing, don't you? Right, I'm gonna go to the other side because you have a direct view into that archway there.
Shall we do all this?
Nah, I'll be alright, I think. Yeah, John. I need to change. I need to adjust his helmet, man.
What?
I need to adjust his helmet. It's falling down in front of my house. Look, here's the other. Oh, wait, where is it? Ah, here it is.
I need to do that.
Bro, you full auto. Hey, no full auto in the building, no full auto, no full auto. It's not full auto. This is. Right, bend in. I've already got people there. As soon as every man and his dog's here, I'm gonna go round. I might go around and see if I can get around the side there. Because everyone's here, but people can sneak up behind us. What?
Dead men don't talk, you dead?
No, I'm not dead.
No, I thought you were walking that way.
No, I was gonna go around, but.
Thought you were dead.
No.
Just dead, man.
Alright, wait, Chris.
Yeah,
They're dead people, you hit me.
I got a feel what everyone was how you get that. Yeah?
You can actually see shit now. That's popping, isn't it?
Big shitty. Where are they?
Down there, they're gonna come from
Are they on the still coming?
yeah.
Chief Keith would have a AK-40.
I'm getting on the
Oh, yeah. Pop, fucking Counter-Strike, pop flash, bro.
Hold up. Hop. Ah, here. What's up?
Oh, mate, it's nice. It's nice, though. Come on, it's short. Come on, get in there. Get in there.
What, 8? 9, 10, 11, 12 now.
Yeah, red team on 12. Speed it up.
Yeah, try and I'm not going to control the height. I know the ball is here, so you thought it's alright, good. Thank you, mate. Right. What the fuck? Shit!
Come on, Red, push these archways, let's move it! Put some fire!
Where are they? Upstairs. Upstairs?
Yeah. Got an eye on. Just straight up.
Oh, hit.
You know what I mean?
That was nice.
Nice shot.
Get out.
There's nothing through.
You and me both. Fuck. Oh, it's popping off in the first batch. Now I'm fucked. We're fucked now. What? What?
I'm getting that fucker in that rafter, I tell you.
Well, somebody in the rafters?
Yeah, what's the street?
I think I'm recording. I am recording. Fuck yeah, guys. Ultra megabolic. You're ultra megabolic. Yo, is camera good? Can you see? Do you reckon it's good?
Yeah, you can see.
Dylan. Блять. What?
There's the gas and the speedloader.
Yeah.
The fucking lifter. So search the screen.
Sorted. Laser. Oh, the cover might have gone on it. Hold on. Yeah, the cover went on it. For some reason, when the cover goes on it, if it's not on correctly, the laser just doesn't shine. It's off now, so.
How do I turn it on?
It's.
I want the laser.
That's laser.
There we go.
Is it?
Can I
That was
just
that
laser?
was
Yeah.
It will be a bit off, but I mean, generally, you can just point and shoot if you're in close, and you'll be fine. What? Fucking thing. That's amazing. Oh, I need a magazine, that's good boy. I got no magazine. Oh, you got no fucking magazine in there? Oh shit, who's there? Oh fuck.
Fuck's sake, I'm not hitting the cover, I've got fire.
Oh hit.
Come on, man, let's go.
Oh, is it, we got.
We've got to kill some.
No, there's no count. Oh yeah, I forgot. We have unlimited lives. We don't have to count them up until we fucking.
Just keep going, don't we?
Yeah. Ah, that's right. Respawn's there. Respawn's here as well.
Respawn's here, yeah.
Yeah, I fucking forgot that.
Mate, this fucking thing, look at the finger trigger.
Yeah, the trigger on that's a lot more lighter than the AK. This one, I have to break this one, which is really weird.
Sorry, about that. Hey!
Come on, pass them.
Top down.
Yeah, got it. Oh, hell! Dead man! Oh, sorry.
Remember before that? You take it.
Fucking hell. That laser. What? I don't realise how good that laser actually is. Good. Oh shit. Dead man coming through. Dead man. Oh, God damn it. Dead man. Dead. I'm dead. Dead man. Careful. Dead man. Dead man. Dead. Dead man. Dead man. The bomb, where's the bomb? Is there? Yeah, it is, yeah. That's the bomb, look. There's your canister there. I'll grab it in a minute. Okay. Sorry.
Guys, your respawn's here.
Oh yeah, you keep it in there.
Nice lads.
Get that, come through.
We're good. We're good. Someone just cut up the rifles there.
Yeah, someone's left their gun there.
That's mine.
Oh, it's yours? Run, Forrest, run.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice one. They're on that.
Hit! Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Fuck you there. Oh. Crossing.
Let's go square.
Is anyone up there? Is there anyone up there? No. Yo. What through there? Marshall coming through. Marshall coming. Let's just commit forth on this epic journey of shit. Yo, you know what I need to do? Put cyberpunk music over this. Dun. Not that bit. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Where are they?
Head.
Shit place in there. Yeah, this is a shit spot, this is. Hold up. Oh shit, sorry. You alright, you alright?
Yeah, fine.
Ow, shit. Nice MP5. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh dear. What fell off? What fell off? Oh, okay. I thought the thing on top of your helmet.
No, I took it off because I think I was getting a bit sweaty.
Oh yeah. Okay, I don't blame you. I think they're up on the top.
They are up on the top.
Yeah, I just got shot from down there. Yeah. Oh, no. I don't know. They're all in. They're all in through there.
Just do us. Yeah. We just have to defend. We don't have to go to the front.
Yeah.
Move this way.
Yeah, I want to try.
Свои считают, что убили, да? Нет. Свои считают, здесь убили? Да. Нет.
Надо спросить, может, не считается. Да, считается.
red killed me.
I need medic.
Where are they? Where are they at? Are they straight down there? Where are they? Still there?
Yeah, I'm literally guarding this canister. If you straight through, that's where they're coming from. They haven't even been able to get that canister. I've just been blowing them.
Is that theirs?
Yeah,
Oh shit.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't get anywhere near it. Straight ahead.
Oh, hit. You're right, mate. Wait, who did I just hit with a grenade?
Over there.
It's over there. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I heard that.
Who did I hit with a grenade? Did you go through there?
Alright, like, you know,
Dead man. Dead man? Dead man coming through. Who did I just hit with a grenade? Was it you? Did I hit you with it?
Yeah, you actually
Oh,
did.
are you right?
Huh?
Are you right?
Honestly, I'm alright.
Are you right? Okay,
You know what? It only hit my foot.
Oh, and
I got your defenders on anyway.
Oh, I was gonna say, okay, I was gonna say, because I threw it through, but I saw you last minute, and then I thought it might hit you.
Bro, it's fine.
I was like, as long as you're alright, mate.
It's a good throw.
It's alright, thank you. Dead man coming through. Dead red coming through. Dead red coming through. Fuck. It's alright. Oh, what? Oh, I'm already dead, I'm already dead.
what are you doing that side of the site?
Oh, because I threw a grenade in. And then I thought I hit a guy, so I went on and went, oh, you're right, because I don't know if anything. I wasn't cheating or anything, I was just saying if I should be alright, that's all. Alright. What?
I thought you'd gone through to attack that.
No, no, no. No. No, no.
He was like, oh, you killed me, and I was like, is that your grenade? And I threw it back to him.
Oh, yeah, if you give it back to someone, it's fine. Because he already has it on the setting where it's gone off, so throwing it back to him. I mean, that marshal thought I was cheating when I went over. He thought I went over, so I wasn't allowed to go over. Yeah, he thought I was cheating. Yeah, the threat from it. Nothing out of that. Nah. Reload.
I am fucking empty, there's no way. I shot about 4 rounds out of it.
Hold on, wait.
I didn't
no, it's empty, yeah.
I didn't put it all the way. Fucking on my neck, two bits.
I got, you shot me in the neck there.
What, did I shoot you in the neck?
Yeah, you shot me there, look. You shot me there. That's
I knew there
fine.
was someone there, yeah. And as you come round the corner, there's a blue guy behind you. Ja, vi kan sätta kvar det sitter på. Så blir det också fucking. Ja, vad det. Laser pointer.
Laser.
Kan stå där och lägga kom.
Jag samtalar fram då.
I don't know how to shoot the lasers. I need to sight it for indoor. Because I'll only use this for indoors.
Big man, it's alright. I shoot like 5 BBs, bro. I'll see one man and I just go.
5 BB. You know.
Nice. You need a bloody tree guard though, so I'm just going. There's a fire rate cap on it.
I mean, you can get one on the AAP.
What are you doing before, man?
Yeah, it's really sensitive. Yeah. That's why I don't wear gloves.
I just don't want to break no rules, man.
Nah, I'm fine.
Right, give me a sec. I need like fire as well. Gas that big time.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm going to take my mask off so you go back in?
No, I'm going to take my helmet off for a bit. I need to take the fucking helmet off.
Just fuck all.
Yeah. Pistol only. Jag vill ha det, så jag har inte det. Och han ska inte det. Tror det kan gå inte det. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let us commit that. AKA military guns.
Yo, we're already at the battlefield. Let's go. We look 5 foot. Yo. Oh, is that it? Oh, magazine. Magazine that we load.
I can't see shit, man.
You get shot? Yeah, they've got some dirty on them. Yeah. Oh, fuck. What for magazine here?
Which magazine?
One of these ones. No, it's fine. It's Dude, you see one of my magazines? I've dropped the date on magazine. I think so. Yeah.
Did you leave it? Did you bring it in there?
I don't know, I might have left it. Look at that. I think I've already left it before.
Fuck, I'm out, bro.
Oh shit.
I've got to live back in the kitchen now.
I need to run back into the spawn anyway. No, I mean back to the safe zone. Yeah, we can go back when you come with one. I need to just make... I need to put some magazines down there. I don't remember putting all of them in. Hold on, passing. Well, let me take my mic out. I don't remember putting it in my pouch. What? I don't remember putting it in my pouch, that's the problem. Hold on. Alright, let me run and check.
Return mags and stuff anyway.
They should do. That magazine won't fit any of their guns, it only fits Type 89. So, and plus, it's got its own pattern, hasn't it? So if anyone's took it, I know who fucking took it. It's here. I've left it here.
We need to fucking refill it.
Oh, I'm a fucking penis. I am. I've left it.
And then we'll go and get the next one back and start.
Okay.
Yeah, use the. I was just fucking. The lights of it, the laser is fine, but the lights of it break wrong.
Yeah. I don't. That's why I had the pressure pad on, so I'm going to come off, turn it on, and then when I want to turn it on. Okay, the fog's on now. Wait.
Come on!
I'm just going forward. Oh, my gun got stuck, mate. Yeah, left side. Fuck, stairs up. Bloody penis. Jackie's on the curry with the bay. Okay.
Fucking hell, we're here again.
Ben.
Then there.
I'll cut that, yeah. Go fucking grab it in dark, bro.
Hold on, wait there.
Oh, you're good.
Hold on. Oh.
Go. I'll cover you. Go. Fuck off.
Flag, move. Where do we put the flag? Yeah, we got it. Where do we put it?
I don't know.
You got it, yeah? Where do we put it?
Gotta go to the other side of the side.
So that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, grab it. Good. Go. It's just running to spawn. That's why I'm saying listen in the tree, guys.
Let's go to the other side, apparently.
That side?
Yeah, apparently. We're on the other side.
Yeah?
We're on the other side.
The enemy spawn?
Enemy spawn.
Yeah, we've got to get as close to enemy spawn.
Okay.
You stand behind us. You stand behind everybody. Oh lads, we got the flag, we need to push in it. Yeah, move on to the flag, for that, who's flag at you? We need to push in the flag. Danya. No. You stand at the back. Move on to the flag, for that, who's flag at you?
Got me on.
Push!
Oh shit. Oh yes, one, thanks.
Took that one.
Sorry, mate. Yeah. Dead man coming through, Dead man coming through, hold fire.
Free flag.
Walking down on back.
Hola. It's actually horse, what have you been? Yeah, I ran into the area and I got one geezer. But I should have seen my fucking...
As I was pushing, there was a guy in the corner. Should have brought that.
Yeah. I should have done a fucking flap. I'm a grenade.
Fucking hell, close range, fucking hurts.
I know, I got fucking peppered all the time in my legs.
Fucking kills.
I know where their flag is. Remember we kept pushing them forward, the staircase?
Yeah.
And there's really awkward fucking areas. There's somebody in there that had the flag. I shot him, so he dropped it. But it's all the way over there.
Wait, you didn't drop it.
No, he dropped it. Yeah, no, he dropped it, but...
I've got my belly covering my face, but when I went in the belly, it popped up my glasses.
Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem with fucking airsoft, mate. It's the fucking glasses.
Fucking sluggers, what? Oh, wow.
Oh, it's all friendly, yeah, right.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Oh, shit, Oh, sorry.
He's red.
Dead man. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. Dead man. Dead man.